Hi, this is Steve Muller from Keller Williams Realty South Park and Team Steve in Charlotte, North Carolina. I want to give you an update on the Mecklenburg County real estate market, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare March 2012 with March 2013, and then I'm going to give you the quarterly stats for the first quarter 2013. I'm going to start with, as I said earlier, March 2012 compared to March 2013. Average sales price, when comparing those 2 months, is up 10%. The new average sales price in Mecklenburg County is just over $236,000. Median sales price also increased by 6.1%, and that puts us at a median sales price of $175,000. So certainly it's great news to see that our average sales price has gone up and higher priced homes are selling, which pushes our median sales price up. Pending sales is up 69% when comparing March 2012 to March 2013, and closed sales are up 29% when comparing those 2 months as well. So what am I seeing right now? I'm seeing inventory levels drop, and then I'm seeing closed sales and pending sales increase. So what is that going to create? At the least, it's going to create a stable market, and personally, I think we're already there in Mecklenburg County, but eventually it may even create what we call a seller's market. We haven't seen that in 5 years or so. And to add to that, the month supply of inventory is at 3.2 months, which technically puts us at a seller's market. Now, I don't think we're quite there yet because the higher priced homes aren't moving as quickly as the properties that are, say, in the $450,000 range and below, but it certainly is good for us to know what our inventory levels are. Now, I also want to give you the quarterly statistics and tell you exactly what I'm seeing there. In 2013, started off with a bang. The first quarter was excellent. The average sales price was up 11% to just over $219,000 in the first quarter. The median sales price was up 10% to $165,000, which tells me once again the higher priced homes are selling. Closed sales were up 33%. The amount of inventory is down 45%, and then of course we're sitting at 3.2 months supply of inventory as well. So the first quarter is looking excellent in Mecklenburg County. Now I do want to bring this to your attention as well. As I stated earlier, if you're in a price point, say, below $450,000 that is more affordable to most individuals in this area, we're seeing a lot more traction in that part of the market. A lot more homes are getting sold in that price point than, say, in the $750,000 price range, and especially once you top $1 million. That hasn't caught up yet. The higher price ranges have not caught up yet. Now, I think that's coming at some point because once those $450,000 homes sell, a lot of folks are going to buy maybe a $600,000 home or maybe higher than that. So eventually that will catch up, but the more affordable properties are the ones that are selling more quickly. Now, if your home sits inside the 485 Beltway, we're actually seeing a lot more traction in that area right now. Now that encompasses more towards the center city of Charlotte. We're seeing homes move a lot quickly over there than we are, say, on the outskirts. Now, if you're on the outskirts and on outside of 485, that doesn't necessarily mean that you can't sell. It just means it might take you a little bit more time. Inside, we're seeing a lot more traction on the market. Eventually, it's probably going to spread out, but I think right now inside the center city is where we're really seeing much more traction for the market. Now, that doesn't mean whether you're inside or outside of the 485 corridor. It doesn't mean that it's easy to sell. You still need to price your home right. You still need to make it be in move-in ready condition, because those are the homes that are selling. And you also don't need to set unreal expectations, because frankly, it still does take some time to sell unless you price your home right on the money and you're in a really hot neighborhood, and it just depends on what neighborhood you're in if that's the case. So anyway, as always, I hope this information helps you. I'd love to be the person you contact if you're thinking about selling your home, or if you're a buyer. I'd love to have the opportunity to speak with you in more detail about this. I don't want to get long-winded on this video, but as always, I hope this information helps you out. I hope you have a great April and springtime, and I look forward to speaking with you next month. Once again, my name is Steve Muller, Keller Williams Realty South Park and Team Steve in Charlotte, North Carolina. Have a great day.